Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is POCO X7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to manage our permissions on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, then we have to scroll down a bit and find this privacy option. Now here we have to open permission manager, and here I am going to choose, for example, permission to microphone. And now look, right here we can choose what apps from here that are not allowed. We can choose what apps we want to allow to this permission, and what apps from the allowed we don't want anymore to be allowed. And you can do this basically with any permission and any app you want. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!